Look, if you're a bigger guy or just someone with bad knees, most yoga mats feel like performing surgery on a cold sidewalk. I got tired of my joints clicking every time I hit the floor, so I went out and bought 5 of the most popular options to see which actually holds up. I spent the last month sweating on these to find the best yoga mat for men who actually want some support.
Product number 1. Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat. When I first pulled this out of the box, the sheer size of it surprised me. It's a full inch of memory foam, which feels more like a mini mattress than a traditional mat. When I stepped onto it, my feet practically sank in, but the high-density NBR foam did a solid job of springing back. I tested it with some high-impact movements, and the shock absorption is legit. It's probably the quietest mat I've used for jumping jacks. One thing to keep in mind, it has a pretty strong new car smell right at the start. I had to let mine sit in the garage for 2 days before I could put my face near it for a child's pose. The textured surface is grippy enough for dry hands, but if you're doing hot yoga, you might slide a bit. It's 74 inches long, so I didn't feel like my head or feet were hanging off the edge. If you just want maximum padding for a garage workout, this is your best bet. Product number 2. Gaiam Yoga Mat. The Gaiam mat feels a bit more refined than the Amazon one. At 10 millimeters thick, it's not as puffy, but the foam feels denser and more stable under my palms. When I was holding a plank, I noticed I didn't have that wobbly, sinking feeling you sometimes get with super thick foam. The ridges on the surface actually do a great job of keeping you locked in place, even when things get a little sweaty. It's incredibly light, too. I threw the cinch strap on and barely felt it over my shoulder. I'd say this is the sweet spot for guys who want comfort but still need to feel the floor for balance. It's easy to wipe down. I just used a damp cloth after a heavy session and it didn't soak up the moisture like a sponge. If you're transitioning from stretching to actual Pilates or yoga flows, this gives you the best mix of cushy and controlled. It's a solid choice for a daily driver that won't break the bank.
Product number 3. Retrospec Salana Yoga Mat. This Retrospec Salana mat feels incredibly rugged. The first thing I noticed was the weight and the firm squish of the material. It's a full inch thick, like the Amazon Basics one, but it feels more structural. When I did some kneeling lunges, I didn't feel the hardwood floor underneath me at all. It's 72 inches long, which was plenty for my frame, and the nylon strap it comes with is actually high quality. It didn't dig into my shoulder. I really appreciated that this one is free of the nasty chemicals, like phthalates, because when you're breathing hard, you don't want to be inhaling plastic fumes. It did have a slight scent, but it cleared up after a day. The grip is solid. I didn't find myself readjusting my hands every 30 seconds. This is the mat I'd pick if I knew I was going to be doing a lot of physical therapy or heavy floor work where my joints usually take a beating. It's built to last through some serious abuse.
Product number 4. Retrospec Salana Yoga Mat. I decided to try another Salana because I wanted to see if the quality was consistent across different colors and batches. Honestly, the consistency is impressive. The non-slip material has a specific tackiness to it that makes me feel very secure during downward dog. I've used mats before that stretched out under my feet, but this one stayed glued to the floor. It doesn't bunch up when you move quickly, which is a huge safety plus in my book. Cleaning it was surprisingly easy. I was worried that the thick foam would trap sweat, but a quick wipe with some soapy water and hanging it to dry did the trick. Just a heads up, don't submerge this thing in water, or it'll take forever to dry out. It's designed for home use, and while it's portable, it's a bit bulky for a crowded studio. If you have the space at home and want something that feels like a professional gym floor, this is a top contender for the price.
Product number 5. Retrospec Salana Yoga Mat. After using the Salana for several different types of workouts, from heavy stretching to core-heavy floor routines, I'm convinced it's one of the most durable options for bigger guys. The foam doesn't bottom out, even after 20 minutes of focused pressure on one spot. I noticed that the edges don't curl up either. It lays flat almost immediately after unrolling, which is a pet peeve of mine with cheaper mats. The balance you get on a 1-inch mat is always going to be a little trickier than a thin 3mm mat,
But the Salana handles it well because the foam is firm enough to support your weight without turning into a marshmallow. It's a great all-rounder for any guy starting a fitness journey who wants to avoid the aches and pains of a hard floor. If you're tired of using two thin mats stacked on top of each other, just get this and call it a day. It's reliable, thick, and stays put.